ẹgbẹ́ fẹ́ fi mí sẹ́nu Saheed Osupa ṣé mọ̀ ń gbọ́ bá ara wọn ní mí ni Ọbàtálá ló ń gbẹ́kùn mi bó bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ jápa lẹ́yìn gbé síkùn.
Nigerian hip-hop singer Habib Okikiola, popularly known as Portable, has publicly criticized veteran Fuji musician Saheed Osupa for taking down his song from streaming platforms over alleged copyright infringement. In a viral Instagram video on Wednesday, Portable lashed out at Osupa for reporting his song, leading to its removal from Spotify and Apple Music. The controversy rose after Portable used a line from Osupa's song, prompting complaints from the Fuji icon and his distribution team. Reacting to the takedown, Portable accused Osupa of failing to support his music career, labeling him big for nothing. He contrasted Osupa's actions with those of another Fuji legend, Pasuma, who according to him had been more accommodating. In a shocking turn of events, the Nigerian singer has apologized to Fuji legend after initially criticizing him for taking down his song from streaming platforms. However, in a new Instagram video, Portable admitted he spoke out of anger and asked for forgiveness. Portable urged his fans to help him beg Osupa for forgiveness.
Ẹ̀yin fáǹsì mi tó bá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ dáríjì mi. King Saheed Osupa ọba orin ẹ má bínú dádì mi. Ọ̀rọ̀ owó ló fẹ́ dájà lẹ̀.
While this has generated mixed reactions online, we'll continue to supply you more entertainment news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.